When I hear this statement, food is your life, I'm like, oh yeah, right on. It so is. I mean, clearly, you know, I'm a chef. I have made my career food. But you think about today, the opportunities that are available to people in the food industry. You know, years ago, it used to be basically like, all right, you got to be a chef. And you go work in a restaurant, or you go work in an institution, or you're a private chef, or maybe you might be a food writer. Maybe you're in the food business because you sell food or something like that. But now it's basically like anything that you can think to do in the food industry, there are so many more possibilities and opportunities available. So it's basically, you can just carve out your own little way to make food your life. When I got to the CIA, when I drove around Roth Hall for the first time and I saw it, and I could just feel the entire place, an entire community of people just living, talking about, thinking about, breathing food. And I was like, I'm home. Food is your life.